Hi everyone, welcome back to Mom Through Lens. I hope you all are doing good and great. Above all the craziness that we all are going through today and dealing it with our own ways, one thing is really common between all of us. No one is going to forget this anytime soon, isn't it? Anyways, the content that I'm going to deliver you all today is really exciting. Living in small space, our mind keeps juggled between functionality and decor. Trust me, the real fun begins when these two collide. Today I'm going to use a very interesting prop, and I'm sure you must be having books lying upon a corner or stacked up unattended. So it's time to grab them up, and I'm going to show you the different ways that you can utilize the books in your space to get that picture perfect moment. Also, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to click the bell icon so that you get updated with all my latest videos. So without wasting much time, let's start the vlog. Coffee tables are best for stacking, displaying, propping and arranging. Stacking books along with a small object adds that personality to the display. Using a tray helps to create layers of visual depth. Pairing the book with an accessory and coasters creates a connection and builds the contrast. Maximal styling of a center table doesn't have to be overcrowding. Choose your decor elements in such a way that it plays off the color of your coffee table. Like if your coffee table is white or neutral, go for bold elements. If it's black or dark wood, one can opt for metallic or white ones. Add warmth and color to a space. They are the best props that can be used to style your space and give that photo-ready look. They add soul and a feeling of realness without adding visual clutter. You can clearly see the difference in the look that has been created by adding just few books. Baskets and books can be combined together for unique vignette or self-styling. Baskets are very functional when it comes to store books. It's like grab and go.
are excellent spots to hold your books in place. It acts as a mini library. But only books can't bring the magic, right? Add small plants or bowls or even bedside lamps to get that charismatic look. A perfectly styled look along with a livable one is trickier, but if you know how to do it, your space can also turn into a magical one. When it comes to styling a bookshelf, one has to keep few points in mind. First, play with the orientation of the books. Arrange some in horizontal to vertical, and some in verticals. It helps to infuse the drama. Add small objects if possible on the stack of books. You can use the objects to fill the empty spaces too. The bookshelf styled as a pro. It's crowded but controlled, effortless yet cool. Stay tuned for more entertaining videos. Meet you soon next time. Till then, stay safe.